no, the time. Yo, stop shooting! Who the? Why the fuck is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? You can't count up a dog. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Killed her. Everybody sit down. I'm gonna tell a bedtime story.
I'm gonna tell the bedtime story now, guys. So once time, there was a little bitch. Okay. No, this bitch was is a unique bitch. Okay. She was like all three of you. She would, try to do raids and try to, she was trying to kind of a whore. And so one day, when this guy, hot hunter came up, she wanted, she wanted to have sex with him.
Siri wants to say something.
Siri.
Once there was a bitch, a stupid bitch like six.
What the fuck?
Is
If you're Siri.
Here? Yeah, it's Stevie.
Alright.
Hi.
But he's only at 291. Does he know how to do this part?
Money, you're sexy.
What?
Bruh.
I think she left or something. Who started it? Who started it?
It was this freaking Siri freaking bitch. He doesn't even want to talk because he's a freaking pussy. He's like, I don't want to say my name. I'm Siri. Like, show your fucking self. Don't be a fucking ass. Come on. Square up then. Your head is shaped like butter.
You have 15 subs, I have 21.
Wait, how do you know? Whoa. You know my freaking YouTube channel? Whoa. I gotta back up real quick. you know my freaking YouTube channel. It's Defty. Yo.
He's only at 291.
I know I said 296 and above, but we'll take anyone we have.
No,
But who left? Who left?
It's
I just got kicked by a bunch of squeakers.